The NRC solution and land law modifications are not the whole solutions to save my day. Now the Manipur government and some CSOs, they go for NRC and land law. But the World Meteor Council says NRC and land law will not be able to save the endangered Meitei. It is only the provision of scheduled tribe that can save the Meitei, as envisaged by Dr. Ambedkar, who was the architect of the Indian Constitution. People like the Meiteis, who are having a very limited population. In fact, today Meitei's population in all of India is not more than 16 lakhs, which is less than the border of New Delhi constituency. For such small population like the Meiteis, there is no other provision in the constitution except the scheduled tribe provision. This can only save the Meiteis, not NRC, not ILP, not land law. This we have pointed out many times. Those CSOs in Manipur, even the Manipur government wants to ignore this issue of scheduled tribe. So NRC solution, land law modifications are not the whole solutions to save Meitei. The constitutional protection as this status to Meitei is inevitable, and Meitei can't fall prey anymore in the changing dynamics of the geopolitics of the region. This is our most important demand. This is our top priority. Next. The final thing is, actually this is meant for the state of Manipur, the opposition leader for the state of Manipur. So I don't think this may not be of much importance in the daily media circle. So I am only appealing through this media conference to the honorable opposition leaders of Manipur to kindly discharge their duty, in fact which they have been evading for the last almost 10 months. So this will be submitting separately in Manipur, not in Delhi. I think and here we come to the end of this press conference. If there is any question, most welcome. Thank you.
कुकी के पास आर्म सप्लाई कहाँ से आती है और मेथी के पास आर्म सप्लाई कहाँ से आती है?
Let me say one thing. First, let me talk of Meiteis. Actually, Meiteis का हाथ में arms नहीं था. मगर when Meiteis were attacked since May 3, we were left. The Meiteis were left to protect ourselves. Police couldn't protect us. The security forces, Assam Rifles, couldn't protect us. The different regiments couldn't protect us. We had to protect ourselves. That was the situation when our youth who are supposed to be in colleges, in the universities, they came out, sacrificed their life, and they took arms from the police armory. In fact, it's a fact. We are not going to hide it. This is how we save ourselves. If they don't save us, if our youth do not save us, who will save us? Nobody saves us now. Nobody. But as for the cookies, as I said, they are migrants from Burma. Burma, everyone knows, is a place where anything is available. Bomb, guns, everything is available. You pay the price, you get it. And these in cookies, we usually call them narco terrorists. According to Director Intelligence Bureau, these narco-terrorists, their activities generate some 50 to 65,000 crores annually. And with that amount, which is more than the total budget of the state of Manipur. Manipur's total state budget was not more than 40,000 crore. But these Simpuki people, I mean, I'm not saying it. It's the Direct Intelligence Bureau of India. 50 to 65,000 crores of rupees. That they get.
So the government willingly, unwillingly support to the Kuki community?
Let me, regarding that, let me say, we honestly appeal.
Central government.
We honestly appeal to the Honorable Prime Minister. Please, consider the suffering, the extreme suffering that the people of Manipur are suffering right now. If the Prime Minister wants to stop this violence, I think he can. Because with the presence of 60, I'm not saying it's reported, with the presence of more than 60,000 security forces in Manipur, nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. Every day there is violence. Every day there is loss of life, bloodshed. Nothing is happening. So we honestly pray to the